My name is Captain StevenRobles. I am a clinical psychologist. I am here with the 85th COSC, the Combat and Operational Stress Control Unit out of Fort Hood, Texas. So my mission here in New York City is to provide psychological support to our mortuary affairs soldiers who are manning the morgues. Fortunately here we're dealing with a very healthy population. Our soldiers are trained and they're ready. They're pretty resilient. But our main focus is in the prevention of stress, adaptive coping, building resiliency skills, and enhancing performance. Working at the morgues is a very humbling experience. Our mortuary affairs specialists are the soldiers that a lot of people don't hear about. They work behind the curtains. And there's not a lot of knowledge of what they do, but they provide a great service to the nation. These soldiers surround themselves with death and sorrow every single day, but they handle these remains with the utmost dignity, reverence, and respect. So it's a very humbling experience. When I learned that the 54 Quartermaster company, the mortuary affairs company that is here, was coming over here, I knew that I wanted to be part of it. So I was a former 92 Mike myself, so I have experience and kind of some knowledge of the job that they do. So I feel very fortunate and honored actually to be able to provide psychological service to them as part of this mission. Some of the things I've seen is the level of cooperation and dedication to the mission at all different levels, from the lower enlisted folks to the leadership who are very committed to their mission. I think one of the most things that I can be proud of is that I am a small piece, a contributing factor to this huge operation. So I think it makes me feel good that I'm able to contribute in some kind of way, and that's a good feeling. I think what we do is extremely important for several reasons, right? These soldiers they will face traumatic events or potentially traumatic events. The stuff that they see it's very impacting. So to have that level of psychological support, it may not be now, it may not be in the near future, or it may be a little later, but at least for them to know kind of what to do and where to go if the need arises. Probably one of the things that has stood out to me the most is coming back to New York City and seeing the level of cooperation that it's been placed in dealing with this pandemic. Seeing the streets of New York being completely empty, seeing people wearing their face mask, seeing everybody is trying to pitch in and contribute to make this thing go away. So coming to New York City when you have 8.6 million people and it's always bustling, and when we arrived over here, it was pretty much at a halt. Was a very impressive and impacting thing that I never thought I would see something like that.